Are we ready to get this rolling yet? I thought we had everything lined up and ready to go.
I thought we were ready to go too, but I can't see Blue Suit Jimmy anywhere.
I'm right here. I'm just feeling a little worried.
What are you worried about? All you have to do is perform 3 skits in between our banter. I told you, all of the pressure is on Louie and myself. We are the stars of the broadcast.
I think that I had too many mangoes.
None of that should make you paranoid. I told you already that is all a myth, and we're going to be covering that in today's broadcast.
When do I get to sing?
You sing halfway through the broadcast, and then you sing again at the end. 1 song each.
Can I sing 3 songs?
No, absolutely not. I told you we are very specific on timing. We need to have this done to the exact minute.
Well, I don't think 1 more song should be a problem. I believe we can make that happen.
Okay, shut up. God, you people make this more difficult than it needs to be. Give me another mango. I'm getting stressed out with all this stupidity going on around me. I can't handle this. I'm trying to get this done properly.
When do I do the first skit?
Here, look at this paper right here. I wrote everything down to the exact minute.
Hey! You're left-handed!
Yes, I'm glad that you noticed that. I am indeed left-handed. Did you also notice that our mango straws are empty? Please fill them up while I get the boys up to speed. Louie and I are going to banter for a bit. Then we cue you right here. You will see me looking your way and calling your name, so keep your eyes and your ears focused. Then we banter some more. Then the captain sings. Then you do skit number 2. After that, we banter some more. Then you do skit 3. We close things out with a few more comments. And then the captain sings 1 more song. Do you understand? And I swear, if any of you stretch things out, I will be more bitchy than usual, so don't even think about it.
What if I sing a very long song?
Okay, stop it. Let's get our materials in order and just do this. I can already feel my buzz wearing off.
Yes, my lady, and we are going to make the mango magic.
Please stick to the script. You sound ridiculous. Hello everybody out there in the Bad Breath Radio. Welcome to our live broadcast from the Wienery. We are here to talk to you about Taste of My Yummy Mango. When you need the right kind of natural goodness and health benefits in your life, we have the best of exactly what you need.
Yes, Flail, that is correct. We firmly believe that if you need a mango in your mouth, we have the juiciest, tastiest, and healthiest mango substance anywhere around. And I wouldn't be saying this if I hadn't done the research myself on my very own body and mind.
Yes, and you and I have both tried all kinds of mangoes around the world. But they are all nothing more than a placebo or a snake oil. We are living proof of the benefits and success of the Taste of My Yummy Mango product.
So stop whatever it is that you do, because this is better instead.
We have a specific program to help build your path to a more relaxing and peaceful state of mind and being. Simply pick up your straws and take a hit of the mango goodness. Feel that calming rush come over your mind and your body. It's all natural, so you know there's absolutely no harmful side effects.
Hey, is it time for me to sing?
I told you no, not until the middle of the set. Do you need another copy of the schedule?
Have a taste of my yummy mango, Flail. You see, this is a perfect example of the times that you need that mango juice as a natural relaxant.
Is that even a word? I told you to stick to the script. I am absolutely relaxed. I just need you guys to work with me and pay attention.
My God, this is all getting on the air and people are watching us.
Good, then they can all see how stupid you guys are acting. Stick to the schedule. Anyway, nothing helps your love life quite like a taste of my yummy mango. Just ask my boyfriend, Blue Suit Jimmy. Blue Suit Jimmy. Jimmy! Hey! It's your time to do the skit.
I used to be a lonely guy, but after a taste of my yummy mango, I found my beautiful, sexy rock star girlfriend, Flail Divide. She admired my confidence and my mango fresh breath. No more lonely days or nights for me, thanks to the magic of the taste of my yummy mango.
Okay, that was awkward, but at least it's over and done with. Yes, a taste of my yummy mango will cure all of your social ills, as the juice from the mango hits all of those nerve endings in your brain that would otherwise make you just a clumsy doofus. Here's a chart that I drew just to prove it.
As you can clearly see, your brain has a little switch on the inside that needs a flicking, so be sure of the mango that you're picking. Bite down on that and make your life 100% better.
Okay, Captain, it's time to sing your song. Here is the owner of the wienery, our good friend and mango enthusiast, Captain Cardboard.
Thank you so much, everybody. This is a song about rabbits. I climbed up the hill and I chased the rabbit as it ran at will. It chased me through the fields in return. Then I felt my senses burn. Rabbits are like drugs. They feel as good as hugs. Well, I don't know where I'd be without a rabbit. I have nothing but good habits. Rabbits in the field.
Okay, that was a painfully long song. Captain, I thought we were clear on the schedule. I really should cut that last song out of the program just to teach you a lesson.
Take it easy, my lady. I don't want the viewers to think that the mango goodness is all a myth.
Trust me, I'm less bitchy than I would otherwise be. I couldn't possibly deal with you flakes if I didn't have my mango. I would be everybody's worst nightmare.
That is the truth. And if you need to feel better, this is the medicine for the body, the mind, and the soul. If you are sad, lonely, depressed, or uptight, if you have a headache or a head cold, do you have an ache in your tummy? Well then taste of my yummy. All you need is a straw, a chair, and a taste of my yummy mango, and you, my friend, are there.
That is the pure natural goodness that keeps you from falling off the tightrope of life. Okay, Jimmy, since the captain took more than her fair share of time on that last song, I can only let you do one more promotional skit, so make it quick, get it done with, and go home.
I'm sitting here alone in my office and I'm sad about my life. I really wish that mangoes were legal. I can't believe the government wants me to fail. Hello, government? I'm tired of feeling so sad. The only thing illegal is feeling like I just can't win in this life. I need my mangoes and I need them now. Really? Oh, wow, government. You're the best. I'm glad that I voted for you.
Yes, the day has finally dawned where mangoes are legal in your hometown. No more sneaking around the back alley just to hit that straw. It is here and ready, and there is no jail time for keeping your mind and body healthy. Thanks to your government, our voices have finally been heard. We just want a taste of my yummy mango.
And thankfully, if you need that legal, healthy mango goodness, we have the best mangoes for your healthy journey. And remember, whatever you do, this is better instead. If anything in your life sucks, this will cure it. Now take it away, Captain.
Thank you once again for coming out. I'm gonna sing a song about my friend Louie. Bad Breath Radio, tell me which way to go. I like
Okay, shut this crap down. I'm tired and you guys are really annoying me.
Oh, Louie, come and sing with me. I see you leaving, please look at me.